Hi everyone, welcome to Language Learning Techniques. Today we're learning about one small but powerful English word, ask. Most people say things like I asked them a question, but actually English speakers use ask in many different ways. Let's explore them together. We use ask for when we want to get something. For example, I asked for a glass of water. She asked for help. Remember, ask for means to request something. Next, we use ask about when we want more information about something. For example, he asked about your new job. They asked about my family. So, ask about means to get more details. Now here's another one. Ask someone to do something. It means you want someone to take an action. For example, my mom asked me to clean my room. The teacher asked us to finish our homework. So the structure is ask plus person plus to plus verb. We use ask if or ask whether when we want a yes or no answer. For example, I asked if he was coming. She asked whether I like pizza. Both mean the same thing. You can choose either one. Of course, you can also say ask a question. That's the most basic one. Examples. Can I ask a question? He asked a funny question. Here's a cool one. Ask around. That means you ask many people to find information. For example, I lost my phone, so I asked around. It means you talk to different people to find out something. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Ask for is to request something. Ask about is to get information. Ask someone to do something is to request an action. Ask if or whether is to ask a yes or no question. Ask a question is to say a question. Ask around is to ask many people. So next time you use ask, try to use the right one, and your English will sound much more fluent. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, which word should we ask about next? See you next time on Language Learning Techniques.